Hello, superhero, hero, hero.
Hi, superhero. Yes, you. We are so excited to be on this journey with you as you learn all about your special superpowers. Every single person on this planet has special hidden superpowers. Some the same, many different, and always special to them. While every person has had their superpowers in them since the day they were born, some superpowers can also grow throughout your whole lives. You're going to meet some special friends throughout this journey. Just remember, though, anything they can be, do, or have, you can be, do, or have too. Because the real superhero is you.
Yeah!
What are the kids' C.A.P.E adventures, you ask? Great question. C.A.P.E stands for Creating a Powerful Experience, meaning you get to create a life experience that you love based on your special joys, your talents, your gifts, and your superpowers. How fun is that? Before we get started, here are some really important truths to know. 1. You are worthy. 2. You matter. 3. You belong. 4. You are special. 5. All your feelings are welcome. 6. You are the superhero of your life. Let's practice saying these truths together. Ready?
I am worthy. I matter. I am special. All my feelings are welcome. I am the superhero of my life.
I am worthy. I matter. I belong. I am special. All my feelings are welcome. I am the superhero of my life.
I am worthy. I matter. I belong. I am special. All my feelings are welcome. I am the superhero of my life.
Now let the adventures begin.